Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. Did you get to sleep in today? I didn't, but that's okay. Last night, the Culinary Expedition was in Singapore. Like I mentioned yesterday, the recipes are just amazing in Singapore. Um, I'm going to be diving into more Singapore recipes, later on. I prepared Tao Yu Bach. Hopefully, I got it right. I don't think so. Translates to braised pork in soy sauce. It was good. Now, I actually forgot because I didn't do my mise en place. I didn't pull a hot sauce to go with in the serving. Doesn't go in the cooking, but it goes with the serving. It's good. Try it. It is simple. I did use pork tenderloin, and if you tuned in yesterday, I did all the prep live. All right, the recipe will be up. The culinary expedition continues today. Today we are going to be in Lithuania, where I am going to be making a rye bread soup. I'm not going to try the Lithuanian, no, sorry. One of the hardest parts about doing the expedition is trying to figure out the languages. Yeah, no. This is a simple soup. When I first saw this, I'm like, oh, this looks good. But the more I read on it, and the more that I read the recipe, basically, this particular recipe has 3 cups of day-old rye bread. It's going to be cubed. You basically simmer this until the bread dissolves in the liquid, and that's what thickens it and obviously gives it flavor. So let's get to it. I have chosen a Russian rye. Let's see. For this, we'll be using some of this rye tomorrow in the Reuben bake that Robin's going to be putting together. But it's real simple. A rye bread, you can use a lighter rye like this, or you can use a dark rye. Butter, onion, carrot, celery. So you got a mirepoix going on. Garlic. You can use either veggie broth or chicken stock. There's a little bit of heavy whipping cream, some marjoram, dill, and good old kosher salt and black pepper. So it's real simple, and it should take less than an hour total, cooking time. I'm actually contemplating on doing a real quick live prep with this. I actually changed recipes, believe it or not, in the middle of the night to include the full mirepoix. So probably about 10 o'clock. So stay tuned. I'll let you know. So on this Saturday, go enjoy the weather and have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, my friends, have fun